So today we're going to the Atwater Market to shoot and to buy some stuff. We brought along the X-T4 and the X100F. So Vicky's going to be shooting with the X100F and I'm going to be shooting with the X-T4 with the 23 and the 35 F2. And also we brought the GoPro. This is the newest addition to the kit. So we're going to bring you along for a little point of view action. So let's go.
Monsieur, vous êtes très beau. Est-ce que je peux vous prendre en photo? Est-ce que je peux prendre une petite photo? Vous êtes très beau. J'aime votre look. Oui? OK. Yes. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Nice, thank you so much. Thank you.
So great day of street photography. It's not here, we're not on the right street. So that's the one thing. I don't have any orientation senses. Is that something we can say? It was good to shoot again. It's been a long time since I've done street photography, but this is my neighborhood. This is southwest of Montreal. It's called Verdun, and we were also this morning at Atwater Market, so another great location to shoot. I love talking to people. And yes, people are sometimes saying no to them taking or being taken on a photo, but most of them said yes today, so it was a good day. So let's see what we got. I absolutely don't know if I have any good shot in there, but I'll post some photos in this video. And yeah, shot with the X-T4, was using the GoPro 8 as a video camera, and I think this will be my setup moving forward for point of view photography. So you guys let me know if you like it. Bye bye.
And we have some Nutella cookies.
We have some Nutella cookies. Let's end on that. Nutella cookies.
And pastiche.
And pastiche de nata.